This video explores the history of the karate stance, showing how purpose has forged posture from 1850 to the present day. The Okinawan Paradigm, exemplified by Shizentai, featured high, narrow, and mobile stances. This was built for unpredictability and readiness for any angle of attack on uneven terrain, favored by figures like Sōkon Matsumura and Choki Motobu. High stances were biomechanically necessary for tuidi, the Okinawan art of seizing and joint locking. They kept hips unlocked for throws, allowed rapid level changes, and enabled seamless transitions from striking to grappling. The Itosu reforms, around 1901, introduced karate into Okinawan schools for physical education. Anko Itosu deliberately lowered stances to build formidable leg strength and martial discipline. The Japanification, starting in 1922 with Gichin Funakoshi, shifted karate from practical jutsu to spiritual do. The focus moved from the Okinawan why of self-defense to the Japanese how of character development through rigorous practice. Jigo Funakoshi's deep stance revolution in the 1930s drastically lowered the center of gravity. Influenced by Japanese swordsmanship, the goal was to develop immense leg strength and maximize linear, forward-driving power for a single finishing blow. The JKA, led by Masatoshi Nakayama in the 1950s, applied Western physics to standardized stances. This maximized ground reaction force via the kinetic chain, resulting in the perfection of Kime, or decisive, focused power. In this modern power anatomy, the fully extended rear leg acts as a brace and engine, driving hip rotation. It creates an unbroken kinetic chain, projecting the entire body mass into the technique. There are two philosophies of power: Kime, the instantaneous converging focus of energy, versus Chinkuchi, the Okinawan flowing energy, which creates an explosive, whole-body vibration for internal disruption. In the sport evolution for point-based competition, stances became longer and shallower for maximum reach and speed. This trade-off compromises structural stability for agility, leading to risks like collapsing knee syndrome. In summary, the evolution shows a move from high, mobile stances for self-defense to very low, powerful stances for conditioning and budo, and finally, to long, shallow stances for sport speed and reach. In conclusion, there is no single correct stance. Each iteration is an adaptation to its purpose, whether for self-defense, conditioning, budo, or sport. Understanding the why behind the stance unlocks its true function.